no introduction. He's been a musician, singer, composer, producer throughout the state for many, many years now, and music all across the world he's had a chance to play as well. Now it's super cool because he's got a brand new CD coming out this Tuesday, but you have first chance to purchase it here this weekend. Most of our artists will be have their music available for sale. We always want you to support local music, just 15 bucks, and they'll be doing autograph sessions after each performance as well. You guys ready? All right, show a lot of love. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. He's accompanied by Guy and Max.